Hi there, welcome to my freelancing channel. Due to the rise in living costs, many Malaysians are turning to ride-sharing services to earn extra income. Today we will be seeing on the process of how you could register and become a Grab driver in Malaysia. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos related to freelance jobs. If you want to become a Grab driver and start earning some income driving your car in Malaysia, you will need to follow a few processes. Here we will be showing you a simple step-by-step guide on how you can apply as Grab driver in Malaysia. But before that, let's look at the basic requirement needed to become a Grab driver in Malaysia. 1. You need to own a 4-door car that is not older than 9 years since purchase. 2. You need to have a valid driving license. 3. You need to have a local bank account. 4. You need to have a smartphone. 5. You need to be a Malaysian citizen. 6. No JPJ or PDRM summons or criminal record. Once you have met all these requirements, then you may follow these steps. Step 1. Install the Grab driver application from either Play Store or Apple Store. Step 2. Once installed, register your profile with all the details needed. Step 3. Apply for Public Service Vehicle or PSV, either a Grab Academy or any driving school in your city. Here you will need to attend a 6 hours training course. Estimated cost will be RM220. Step 4. Get a medical checkup at the Grab panel clinic near your place. You may refer to Grab website to find a list of panel clinics. You may get the medical form from JPJ office. You will need to show your Grab driver app at the clinic. Make sure you keep your payment receipt for future reference. The estimated cost will be RM20 to RM80. Step 5. Sit for a written exam. You will need to pass minimum of 80% to qualified. The exam duration is 1 hour. Step 6. Once you have passed your exam, please proceed to apply for PSV license at the nearest JPJ office in your city. You will need to show proof of your training and exam certificate and medical report with payment slip. Step 7. If your car is more than 3 years old, then you will need to go for a vehicle inspection at nearest Pushpacom. Pushpacom is the place to conduct vehicle inspections for your car. Get an appointment date to inspect your car and get an approval letter. The inspection takes 1 hour and will cost you RM70. Step 8. Ensure you have these 3 items in your car for safety purpose and before inspection. They are driver's reflective safety triangle, 1 kg fire extinguisher and a first aid kit. These items are available in Lazada. Step 9. Visit your nearest Grab office to submit all your documents, or you may upload it online using your app. Step 10. Get a general insurance for e-hailing either from Grab's panel insurance or any other insurance company. You may register for daily insurance from Grab Daily E-hailing Insurance or apply for a 1-year insurance package with your own chosen company. Estimated cost will be RM400 per year. Step 11. Once all these processes are completed, Grab will assist you to apply e-hailing permit or EVP on your behalf. Once approved, you will be given an e-hailing permit card and sticker to be placed in your car for identification. So, we hope this video helps you understand the basic process of applying and becoming a Grab driver in Malaysia. If you still don't understand, please contact or visit nearest Grab office today. We wish you all the best. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel today and watch our upcoming videos.